Hi all, it's Uri. I'm glad you can join me. Today I'm going to show you what is VPN, what it used for. There are many interesting things that you can do with VPN. So let's begin. VPN it's a short of virtual private network. This is something that you can you are normally browse with your browser directly to the website. Okay, if you press Google, you browse directly to the Google website. But if you are using a VPN, you can browse to Google, but through the virtual network. That means that you see Google through the this place on the virtual network that browse to Google. Okay, let's see a demo. Okay, now I'm not connected to the virtual network, to the VPN, and when I show my IP, it shows this IP, 255 148 252, and you see my location in Israel. Okay, but when I'm connecting the VPN, I use Proton VPN that it's Swiss and reliable and fast. You can use whatever you want, but this is a good one. When I press on it and connect it to Netherlands, for example, okay, now I will browse to this website through the Netherlands. This will change my IP, and also if you notice the ad on the top, it will be also changed to English, because the browser the website will think I'm from Netherlands. As you see, the ad changed to English, my IP changed, and also it thinks my location is from Amsterdam. So as you can see, VPN can mask your true IP and can show you located from a else place, and it also used for if you're a workplace, for example, block Facebook from browsing at work time. You can connect to the VPN and browse to Facebook on your workplace, or anything else you like. Or for example, if your country is being blocked by some website, you can bypass this block by using a VPN. You can mask as you were from another country. And the third thing, that if you are visiting some country that blocks certain websites, you can also use the VPN, and you can browse those websites from this country. Okay, so those useful things can be used by using VPN. So I hope you find I will disconnect it. You can easily disconnect this VPN, as you see. So I hope you find this interesting, and I would be happy if you will subscribe to my channel, because I have almost daily useful tips for Android and it will be fun. So see you next, and I hope you will press like for this movie. Bye.